Hi guys, so Roblox again. We are playing Roblox again. This is my tita. Wait. Yan. And this is my friend. Cocomelon. Let's join with him. Oh my god, a pro tower! Where is he? Where is he? I am asking you, where is he? Wow, it's but it is okay. I am okay. I am fine. Gwen, sana yung. Ning 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 tinining. Ito na lang. We play. Kaya tayo maglalaro. Wow. She is lagging. Uy. Nakita kung ano ginamit ko. Hey guys. So, yan na. It's a chaboba. Chaboba. Wow, si Cocomelon naglib na. Wow, Cocomelon. Okay na yan. Ayun o, may bago na pala. Diba dati mga kalbo lang sila. Tapos ngayon angry head na. Eh, bawal ako dun sa may, kalbo. Kaya dito na lang tayo kay... Uy, di ako na-inform. Tagal ko na kasing di naglalaro dito. Disconnect na naman. Disconnect na naman! Uday. I need a wifi. May na wifi dito sa room. Hindi taas. Ayun na. Blocks naman eh. Oh guys, bye-bye.